If you have been putting off buying a motorhome because you think it means spending six figures, today is going to change your mind. We found 6 Class C motorhomes for sale right now, ranging from $45,000 all the way down to $13,000, and every single one of them is ready to hit the road. We are going from the most expensive down to the most affordable, so stick around, because the cheapest one on this list might surprise you the most. Before we jump in, here is something worth keeping in mind as you watch. Price alone never tells the whole story with a used motorhome. Mileage matters, sure, but so does how the previous owner treated the roof, the plumbing, and the batteries, since those are the systems that quietly rack up repair bills if they were neglected. Every listing on today's roundup includes real details straight from the sellers, so pay attention not just to the price tag, but to what has already been replaced, what title the vehicle carries, and what kind of climate it was stored in. That is exactly the kind of homework that separates a great deal from an expensive headache. Let's get into it. We are starting at the top with a rig that genuinely feels like it belongs in a much higher price bracket. This is a 2010 Winnebago Itasca Cambria, 28 feet long, built on a Ford E450 chassis, and it comes from an adult couple who clearly babied this thing. 2 slide-outs give you serious living space, and the full body paint job means this does not look like a 15-year-old motorhome sitting in a lot. Step inside and the upgrades keep coming. Real leather driver and passenger seats, a leather dinette booth, a backup camera and hydraulic leveling jack so you are not fumbling with blocks every time you park for the night. Tire pressure monitoring is already built in, and the suspension has been fully upgraded with heavy-duty sway bars, a Roadmaster steering stabilizer, and Coney RV shocks, so owners describe the driving experience as smooth, more like a car than a top-heavy motorhome. But the mechanical work here is thorough. A complete brake overhaul, meaning rotors, pads, calipers, and hoses were all replaced. The tires are nearly new, with fronts from 2025 and rears from 2024, sitting on aluminum wheels. The air conditioning was upgraded in 2024 to a larger 15,000 BTU unit, which matters a lot if you plan to travel through hot climates. For off-grid capability, you get 400 watts of solar paired with 200 amp-hours of lithium batteries and a 3,000-watt inverter, plus a brand new awning from 2022. Inside, there is a dedicated bedroom with a queen walk-around bed, custom wood countertops, dual sinks, a convection microwave, and 2 TVs with surround sound. This is a motorhome built by an owner who intended to keep it forever, and it shows in every corner. Clean Florida title in hand, ready to go. What makes this listing stand out at $45,000 is not any single feature, it is how many big-ticket items have already been checked off the list before the next owner even takes the keys. Brakes, tires, suspension, air conditioning, solar, batteries, and the awning have all been addressed within the last 2 to 3 years. On a lot of used motorhomes, a buyer has to budget thousands of dollars right after purchase just to bring those systems up to date. Here, that work is already done, which is a big part of why this one earns the top spot on today's list, even though it is not the newest model year in the lineup. Next up, 2 motorhomes tied at the same price point, so we will take them one at a time. First is a 2013 Forest River Sunseeker 3010 DS with 2 slide-outs, and only 49,000 miles on it. The seller describes it as being in great shape with no issues at all, and the details back that up. New tires all around, plus new batteries on both the truck chassis and the RV house system. That is a big deal, because batteries and tires are 2 of the most expensive replacement items on any motorhome, and here they are already handled for you. The roof and floor are solid with no leaking, which is the single most important thing to check on any used RV, since water damage is what kills these vehicles. A new quiet Onan 4,000-watt generator has also been installed, so you have reliable power on the road or at camp. Inside you get 2 smart TVs, and the seller notes the unit was used gently, with no pets and no smoking. Every light works, everything functions, and the Clean Florida title is on hand. For anyone who wants a low-mileage, well-maintained Class C without paying Winnebago money, this is about as clean of an option as you will find in this price range. It is also worth pointing out how the seller chose to describe this unit. There is no long list of upgrades or entertainment add-ons here, just a straightforward statement that everything works and nothing is wrong with it. Sometimes that plain, no-frills kind of listing is exactly what a careful buyer wants to see, since it suggests the seller is not trying to distract you with extras while glossing over the fundamentals. Tied at the same asking price is this 2015 Thor Motor Coach Chateau, 31 feet long, and this one leans hard into comfort and entertainment features. It runs on the proven Ford E450 Super Duty chassis with the V10 engine and an overdrive transmission, and it has only 29,000 miles on it. An auto-leveling system takes the guesswork out of setting up camp, and a backup camera and cruise control make the driving side just as easy. This unit came from the factory as an upgraded deluxe model, and the seller says the kitchen, bathroom, interior, and cabinetry were all upgraded beyond the standard trim. That means a large stainless steel residential refrigerator with a built-in freezer and ice maker, central ducted air conditioning, and a total of 3 TVs with surround sound, plus an outside entertainment system for when you are parked and relaxing outdoors. A power awning with LED strip lighting and track lighting throughout rounds out the interior finish. The generator is a 4-kilowatt Onan with only 120 hours on it, which is remarkably low. All 6 tires were replaced in 2023, and the seller states everything works as it should, with no water damage or delamination anywhere on the unit. If your priority is a motorhome that feels like a rolling apartment, loaded with tech and comfort features, this Chateau earns its spot at the same price as the Sunseeker above. So how do you choose between these two at the exact same price? It really comes down to what you value more. The Sunseeker leans toward simplicity and freshly replaced core components, while this Chateau leans toward comfort, entertainment, and factory-upgraded finishes throughout the cabin. Both are strong picks, and honestly, you cannot go wrong either way. It just depends on whether you are chasing peace of mind on the mechanicals or a more premium day-to-day living experience. Moving down the list, this 2018 Leprechaun by Coachmen is 27 feet long, built on the Ford E350 chassis with the 6.8 Triton V10 engine, and shows 63,000 miles. It has a well-equipped kitchen with a double sink, a 3-burner gas stove, and a microwave, plus a dinette area with a wooden table and upholstered bench seating. Overhead wooden cabinets provide storage throughout, and there is a bunk above the cab for extra sleeping space. The seller has clearly kept up with maintenance, listing new engine oil, new transmission oil with a filter, new differential oil, and new tires. A second air conditioning unit with a digital thermostat and heating element has been added, along with all new plumbing fixtures, so climate control and water systems are freshly handled. The mattress in the queen bed is only 2 years old. One thing worth mentioning directly, in the interest of full transparency, this unit was purchased through Copart with a salvage title after sustaining small damage to the left corner bumper and storage compartment. That damage has been repaired, though the seller notes you can still see where the bumper was bent. For a buyer comfortable with a salvage title in exchange for a meaningfully lower price, this is a well-equipped, mechanically fresh motorhome. Just make sure to factor that title status into your own research and any insurance conversations before you commit, since salvage titles can affect financing options and resale value down the road. Now we are firmly in budget territory, and this one still delivers. A 2008 Coachmen Freedom Express, 21 feet long, which makes it the most compact rig on our list, and a great choice if you want something easier to park and drive. It runs on a 6-liter Chevrolet engine with only 46,000 miles, and the seller says it runs and drives like new. This is a fully self-contained unit, meaning it comes with an onboard Onan generator, roof air conditioning, and dash air conditioning for the cab. Inside, you get a rear bedroom, a rear bathroom with a shower, and a full kitchen with a microwave, stove, sink, and refrigerator. A dinette table and an overhead bunk add flexible sleeping and dining space for a rig this size. The tires are described as like new, and the seller notes no pets and non-smoking ownership, with a clean title already in hand. For a couple or a small family wanting a first motorhome without a huge financial commitment, this compact Freedom Express hits a real sweet spot between price, size, and features. And finally, the most affordable motorhome on today's list. This 2004 Forest River Sunseeker Limited Edition 3100 is 32 feet long with a single slide-out, and at $13,000, it proves you do not need a huge budget to get a genuinely travel-ready rig. It has only 43,000 miles, new front tires, and every appliance along with the air conditioning is confirmed working. The generator fires right up. One detail worth calling out. For anyone who camps in colder weather, this unit comes with an Arctic kit, which uses heating pads on the plumbing to prevent frozen and burst pipes in winter conditions. That is a feature you do not always find on a budget motorhome, and it extends the number of months out of the year this rig is actually usable. With a clean title and no trades needed from the seller, this is a straightforward, no-nonsense entry point into motorhome ownership. So there you have it, 6 Class C motorhomes ranging from $45,000 down to just $13,000, each with its own story and its own strengths. Whether you want the luxury upgrades of the Winnebago, the tech-loaded comfort of the Thor Chateau, or the pure budget value of that 2004 Sunseeker, there is something here for almost every buyer. If we had to boil it down, here is the quick version. Buy the Winnebago if you want the fewest surprises and the most upgrades already done for you. Buy one of the two Sunseeker Chateau pair if you want a strong middle ground between price and features, and pick whichever cabin layout speaks to you more. Go with the Leprechaun only if you are comfortable with a salvage title in exchange for real savings, and make sure you get that in writing and confirmed before any money changes hands. And if your budget is tight, either the Freedom Express or the 2004 Sunseeker will get you into motorhome ownership without draining your savings account, with the Freedom Express giving you a more compact footprint and the older Sunseeker giving you that useful Arctic kit for cold weather travel. Let us know in the comments which one you would take home, and if you want more budget motorhome breakdowns like this one, make sure you are subscribed because we have a lot more coming.